I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. But you don't judge me. 'Cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too. No, you don't judge me. 'Cause if you did, baby, yeah, I got issues. And one of them is how bad I need you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, subscribe to my channel and like this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is a beautiful Valentine's Day look. I wanted to go, a little bit above my natural glam. I want to be really dramatic this time, as you guys can see. I went through a lot of pinks and purples and burgundies, and I really like this, how this turned out. If you guys want to try this look, I advise you to. It's very fun. If you just want to be extra, you could totally pull this off. Like, I would have never put on a pink highlight, and today I got on a pink highlight. It's like a pink with a purple undertone too, and a very different type of lip color. I went through 2 different pinks for this lip color. Enjoy this Mayo Makeup neon pigments, and I used this pink, hot pink at the top. I really love this. I love how it looks under the eye, but it does work only with the white base. And if you guys want to see any more Valentine's Day looks, you guys can comment below, just because it ain't even February yet, and I could get out some more, because I know a lot of people don't want to do this kind of a bold look. They want a natural type of look, because a lot of people don't, want to look this crazy going out. First thing I'm doing is going into a white base, because with lighter colors, it helps bring out the colors with all the light tones I will be using today. Now I'll be going into this ColourPop black shade. I'm putting down the outer V and also on the inner V. Now I'm going into this Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to that orange shade, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And also I'm taking the purple shade, well, burgundy purple shade, and I'm going to put that under the transition shade. Then I'll be darkening it up with this neon pink. I'm going back into this ColourPop palette because I'm going to use that pink before I put the Still Magnificent metals on my eye, just so it can have an undertone of a different pink. I'm back into this ColourPop shade. I'm going to be using that top gold as a brow bone highlight. Going into the Sephora Pro palette, I'm taking that pink shade, and it has an undertone of purple. Now I'm going into my Ofra to put a half eyeliner on my eye. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo foundation, and I'm going to put that all over the face. On this part, I realized that I forgot to put primer on, so I put the primer on top of the foundation and rubbed it in on my T-zone area only. And now I'm going back in like nothing ever happened. After using that foundation brush, I'm going into my beauty blender, and I'm using the beauty blender because using the beauty blender just makes your face look flawless. And I'm going into the Kat Von D Lock It concealer, and I'm concealing my face. I'm using my favorite ColourPop concealer stick. Yeah, and I use that to contour. I love using a stick contour to contour my face. Now it's time to blend everything together. I went into my dark Laura Mercier powder and I'm setting everything that I concealed. I'm using my favorite contour powder, which is in the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm using that to contour everything where I cream contour. Now I'm going into this face powder by L'Oreal. Going to set my face before I go into this Anastasia blush. I'm using that burgundy color in the blush kit. Also, I'm going into the Sephora palette. I'm using those two pink highlights. After I line my lips, I'm going into these two pink lipsticks, and I want to lighten that hotter pink up. Going into the Ofra white concealer again, and I'm going to use that before I put the Mayo makeup pigments on because you're supposed to use a white base with that. Now I'm putting the mascara on my top and bottom lashes. On my face for the last time. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and comment and like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.